Oh, that happened to me. I was snowblowing and all of a sudden right on the corner. It was like boom, boom, boom. I didn't hit. Oh, you guys want the yard? Is that why you're going to the gate?
Who knows?
Nanook? There he is.
Who's that?
Nanook at the door.
Lincoln's like, I don't know. Am I allowed over there? I can do that. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Here he comes. He's gonna get you, Rick. He's gonna get you.
Married April.
Where's she going now? She's gonna go greet all the other people over there. I must go see people. There she goes.
I think I found a hole. Look at all these snowballs.
I was over here the other day. She's dropping something. April's running around the yard. She's like, she just put her whole face in the snow. I'm like,
Yeah, Lincoln does that.
Does he eat it all?
No, he just like he knows his balls there and he
He
can't
tries to
find
dig
it.
it out.
It's so deep and he's like,
Okay,
nice.
that's illegal.
No spot like the desert.